All right, got the stereo in, pulled out the very old speaker here. We got a fresh new dashboard here, cleaned and repainted. An Alpine speaker there and there. So I took out the, there was, in the back here, there was a big subwoofer that was taking up a lot of space in an amplifier, and I didn't really need it. The Alpine, that old 1990 era Alpine stereo, puts out plenty of power, so I spliced into the wiring that was here. Whenever I have the carpet up next, I'll do a shorter shot, but sounds pretty good. Dash is gone in, just got that center console, and the instrument seems to be still working all right. And yeah, next we'll put the console in here and take it for a little bit of a test drive, but there's the console over there. So I think it's in all right shape, coming together. I don't think I've broken anything, touch wood, so we'll see how it goes.